Hello students, very good afternoon to all of you. This is the next video for your chapter, The Story of Village Palampur. The topic is, will the land sustain? Means suffer. Yes, our land will sustain, our land will suffer. Why? What is the reason? So listen, the reason is, land being a natural resource, it is necessary to be very careful in its use. Scientific reports indicate that the modern farming methods have overused the natural resource base. This time we are using modern farming methods, and modern farming methods have overused the natural resource base. So definitely our natural resource will be sort of in the coming days. In many areas, green revolutions is associated with the loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizer. People are using so much fertilizers, knowing that fertilizers is very harmful for the fields, harmful for the fertility of the land. After that they are using it so much, and they are continuously use groundwater for tubal irrigation, that is reduced the water level below the ground. When we see the traditional farming, in traditional farming it requires less irrigation, while when we see the modern farming method, there it requires two times more irrigation than traditional farming. So its effect straightly shows to the downfall of the groundwater. And it is also said that if our natural resources once there will be great shortage in our natural resources, it will be very difficult to restore it, and definitely our environment will be affected so much. So our educationists, the scientists, the farmers, everyone has responsibility to ensure future development of agriculture. Because chemical fertilizers provides minerals, and minerals dissolve with water and it immediately available to the plants, but it can't retain for a long time to the plants. It approaches to the roots of the plants immediately, and the plants looks very heavy. It developed very rapidly, but it never retained for a long time in our soil to make it fertile, while our manure, our cow dungs fertilizer, those are domestic and domestic fertilizers. When this fertilizer mixes up with our soil, it makes our soil fertile for long time. Now you see here, this chemical fertilizer may escape from the soil and pollute groundwater, river and lakes. ये सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, हमारे ग्राउंड वाटर जो है, लेक्स, रिवर, सारे वाटर्स को भी ये अफेक्टेड करते हैं. एंड केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स कैन आल्सो किल बैक्टीरिया और माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. जो भी हमारे ज़मीन के नीचे के बैक्टीरिया हैं, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है, सबको मार डालते हैं. और which are very useful for us. This means sometime after their use the soil will be less fertile than ever before. And it is also true that very soon you will know that our land will be less fertile than ever. The consumption of chemical fertilizers in Punjab is highest in the country, and continuous use of chemical fertilizer has led to degradation of soil health. डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ सॉइल, सबसे अधिक कंजप्शन होता है केमिकल फर्टिलाइज़र का पंजाब में, क्योंकि वो हमारा हाईएस्ट हमारा प्रोडक्शन स्टेट है। वहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन के लिए वे लोग केमिकल्स फर्टिलाइजर्स का यूज़ मैक्सिमम मात्रा में करते हैं, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर द सॉइल, बिकॉज नाउ इट has led to degradation of the soil health. Punjab farmers are now forced to use more and more chemical fertilizers and other inputs to achieve the same production level. अब उसी प्रोडक्शन लेवल को पाने के लिए उनको केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स को मैक्सिमम मात्रा में यूज करना शुरू किए हैं। दिस मीन कास्ट ऑफ कल्टीवेशन इज राइजिंग वेरी फास्ट। और जब आप केमिकल फर्टिलाइज़र का यूज़ ज़्यादा करेंगे तो इससे क्या होगा, आपका कास्ट ऑफ कल्टीवेशन बढ़ जाएगा। जितना ही केमिकल्स फर्टिलाइजर्स का यूज़ कम होगा उतना ही वो कास्ट ऑफ कल्टीवेशन कम होगा।